I genuinely didn't expect to be impressed or excited by measuring spoons, but these Polygons folding measuring spoons are honestly one of the smartest kitchen gadgets I've used recently. Instead of a huge bulky set cluttering my drawer, these two spoons fold into 6 different sizes and replace multiple different spoons. With these two, they fold into 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon, and a half a tablespoon. And the smaller one folds into 1 teaspoon, a half a teaspoon, and a fourth of a teaspoon. I love how they're magnetic too, so they stay together and don't get lost in the kitchen chaos. I've been using them for both baking and cooking, and they work great with dry and wet ingredients without leaking everywhere. And I really like them with sticky ingredients too, because you can just flatten them back out and scrape the rest that's left behind into your bowl. The folding design feels really sturdy, not flimsy at all, and they're super easy to clean since there aren't a bunch of little corners trapping the ingredients in. Honestly, if you're short on kitchen space or just tired of digging through measuring spoon sets, these are such a good upgrade. I can now get rid of all of these and replace them with these 2 totally flat, small, space-saving spoons. They also come packaged really nicely, so they'd make a great gift for anyone who loves cooking or baking. And shout out to the brand for gifting them to me for my honest review.